Milk duds! He said milk duds! You had to leave it on the... Ah. They won't watch anything tonight. Oh! They each have their own personality. They appreciate good cinema. Can't help himself? So what's your plan?
We're watching Snow White, and they love it.
It's a classic.
Don't breathe any gas. Go.
I hope there's a door to shut. Here. Billy!
Watch out!
Surely not. That kind of looks like the movie theater and road from Back to the Future, is it? They look very similar. Ah.
Billy.
It's ripe.
Gizmo.
He's the leader. If he gets to water, it'll start all over again.
They're so food motivated. Everything they do. They just want a little yum yum.
Take Giz, go back and try and find some kind of light switch.
Nice. Share a little kiss. We love to see it. I mean... Is that... E.T.? That's such a great callback to E.T. Ah, so many beautiful movie callouts in this. You had one job. Okay, you had two jobs. Poor Gizmo. Gizmo better be okay. Get it with the bat. Come on. Oh. Don't do anything silly, Gizmo. Bye. Oh, yikes. He's been shot. Okay, okay. Up you get. Get him!
A certain kind of guy.
And that guy needs a certain kind of pain.
Oh my, it's a callback to the movie at the beginning that he was watching. Whew. One could say he was cutting it close. Just calling out things he sees.
Barney! Barney!
Why isn't he going in? Billy, he wants him to watch. Surely his hand is touching water. Surely droplets of water were... He's soaked. We see it. He's soaked. He's completely soaked. How do they do that? That's a cool effect. Sometimes I can, like, guess how they did them, but that one I don't know. Oh, yeah, turning into sludge. Turning into goop. Oh, I hope Gizmo's okay. Just let it happen. Stand back and let it happen. Let's hope it got him before he fell into that water. Poor Gizmo. We should clone Gizmo a few more times. I don't know. Go check the water, see if it's reproduced. He will. Just a bunch of little sloppies come out. Half-formed sloppies. Is that like a chicken carcass? What did they use for this? Ha! Oh, wow. Cool. Still breathing in there, I see.
Movie theater.
Yeah.
It's dark.
Oh my god. Gizmo. Just lock the doors, set the place on fire.
Cover your mouth. Don't breathe any gas.
Oh my god. Oh, popcorn helmets. Oh my god.
Billy.
Gizmo needs to fight Stripe. Oh. How do you do that? Oh. That's how.
Uh-oh. There's a fountain.
Oh no. Alright.
Oh, I got you.
Oh no. Gizmo. Gizmo's gonna come in clutch.
Is that a crossbow?
Oh! A chainsaw? It's because he watched the movie. There you go.
Sniper rockin' Ricky, but he's still on the air.
He's still on the air. Oh. Oh no! Oh! Oh my god! Oh!
Dad, your scarf?
That's so terrifying and cool. Don't eat it. I know it looks delicious, Barney.
Where did they all go?
It'll be lights. Bet they're all together so
You're doing-
it's dark.
Sleep in heavenly peace.
The audio, no, the audio thing where it sounds like they're in a movie again when they do that. Did you hear it?
The sound, like the quality of the sound.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's all go to the lobby.
I do feel bad for them though, because it's not their fault. Like you created them and then you're just.
They're inside.
All of them?
But so if they turn on the light, what will happen?
I have no idea. Yeah, and is the projector light gonna? There's no way these dudes know how to load film. Jesus Christ! Quentin Tarantino is rolling in his grave, and Scorsese and all those guys. Nolan.
But does Scorsese think this is a real film? Is it cinema?
Is this cinema? Ah! Oh, good. Flasher Gremlins at the movies too. He's getting his Pee-wee on.
I hope Snow White as a character is so outdated.
Yes. In the future, they'll CG in the Rachel Zegler version.
Where's the boiler room?
It's in the back of the theater.
There's a boiler room at this movie theater.
How hard do you think the script thought? Like, which movie should we have them love?
It's a good question. It seems like all the movies chosen are like pretty deliberate throughout
Yeah.
this.
Candy.
Yum,
I
yum.
hope Stripe's the only one that makes it through, other than Gizmo.
Gizmo and Stripe
I'm like, Stripe changes his stripes.
goes for a face turn.
Cover your mouth. Don't breathe any gas.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Why?
Oh.
What is he gonna do with the gas?
They're gonna blow this place sky high.
Because of light? I feel like there's so many other ways to do it. Could you just turn on the lights?
Well, they're gonna turn on the lights, all right? They're gonna light this place up. It's like a monster movie. Oh, nice. Ig.
Cool shot.
Whoa. Coming right through the silver screen. Oh, nice.
Dun, 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 dun. It's like West Side Story all of a sudden. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. One of your own kind.
Nice. Oh! Not a mask on.
Oh my god. Did he have to blow up the whole theater?
How are people in town going to engage with the art of cinema now?
Oh, Stripe.
Uh-oh.
A stripe of glitter in his hair? Tinsel?
Looks like.
Wow, Billy just doesn't give a shit what he's destroying.
Yeah, you could have walked under that candy sign, saved them having to buy a new fluorescent or a neon, whatever you call that.
Take Giz, go back and try and find some kind of light switch.
Yeah.
Oh, really cute on-screen kiss.
What a first date. Nicely done.
Saturday morning at 8:30, we'll have Santa Claus for all the
Hey,
kiddies.
Bugs Bunny.
Right?
Sylvester. And E.T.
He was behind E.T.
It's an Easter egg.
E.T. found home.
Oh, gosh, bagosh. Whoa, damn, dude. Gremsaw. Getaway ride.
He's kind of funny.
He is funny. Yeesh. Ow. Woof. Got a good arm on Stripe.
Light. It's the light.
Oh no. Is Gizmo about to make a sacrifice?
Miss American Pie.
Oh, ow. Wow.
What is that? Saw?
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Oh.
Put him in the light.
Oh no. It's a perfect little saw for him. It's perfect size. The Barbie Corvette.
I'm so scared he's going to be in the light, though.
No, that bat's not gonna hold out much longer. Damn. Ow. God, that looked real.
No, Gizmo, hide.
Garfield shirts, nice. My eyes. Good call. Well done.
The water, no. Water.
Water
they
gun.
love guns.
It's like the electric company. Water gun. Water gun. Let's go, Gizmo. Woo. A great POV.
I mean, they gotta have gotten so much of Grogu from Gizmo, right?
It does feel that way, dude. Like, I guess this is after Star Wars.
Yeah, but his
like,
noises.
But yeah, it's like the look of Yoda with everything else Mogwai.
Yeah, exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
Totally.
My precious. Oh my god, he's going in the water.
Billy. Whoa!
Wait, he's evil.
Yeah.
I thought we could fix him.
Nah, he likes guns too much. He's all about this life.
I feel like the water's getting on him now.
Yeah.
Why isn't it working?
Gremlins is a good title for this movie.
I wonder if
man.
it's not really water. It's like olive oil or something.
No, it's working. Oh, come on, buddy. His eyes are about to pop out of your head. No! Oh, good. It's the most realistic car jump stunt. The thing's totaled now.
Gizmo.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, poor guy.
Oh my God.
Damn.
What happens when it's sun and water at the same time? This? Oy.
Damn. That's icky. So cool.
Dad, your scarf?
Oh.
Dad asks no questions now. Yeah, uh-huh.
You will find the babe wrapped in swaddling clothes lying in a wrecked garden center in a hardware store. Wow.
Cute. Good job.
Oh, grody.
That was gnarly. Like,
Yeah.
deflated. That was disgusting. Good job with that.
Magawai. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. I mean, a cinema's a pretty dark place. That'd be a good spot to live in general. And there they are. There's that many? Okay, just like bomb the whole place. They're ruining all the movies! Flashbang! Flashbang them!
What are they doing?
We're watching Snow White. And they love it.
That's actually pretty cute and wholesome.
Where's the boiler room?
The boiler room? So, oh, they're having such a great time. Where's the boiler room?
Cover your mouth. Don't breathe any gas.
It's kind of sad. Just is what it is. Has to be done. Oh. Wait. I thought that was going to kill him, but they were too smart.
Come on!
That's going to hold it? There's like 1 billion of them there. Okay. When is this thing going to hurry up? Come on. I hope. Oh, man. This is kind of sad. I'm not going to lie. It's kind of sad. It had to be done. They just killed all Gizmo's
Billy,
cousins. Oh,
in the department store.
no way. Of course.
Stripe.
Stripe, the final boss.
If he gets to water, it'll start all over again.
And we know they're smart, so he's probably smart enough to figure that out.
Try and find some kind of light switch.
Hey! Finally! So creepy. Man, that's creepy. It's just disguising itself. It looks so evil. Oh my god. Oh! No way. What a crazy mofo. Oh my god. Maybe Gizmo can do something? Ride bike? What does that mean? Come on, come on, come on. What the hell? He's got a crossbow? What a crazy, crazy... Oh! Little beast! Oh. Okay, this is insane. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! W! Oh. Uh-oh, it's dark again. Water! No! Oh! Ain't no way he has a gun now. That is crazy. Oh, come on, little Gizmo. Come on, little Gizmo. Oh, no. Oh, dude. He's out here risking his life for the humans. Bright light! Yeah! Bright light! Oh, he's risking himself as well. Gizmo's an angel. Oh my gosh. Just get the gun and use it. So weird when it dies. Can it stop bubbling like that? It's freaking me out. Well, thank God that's over.
Oh, that's absolutely awful. Oh. No, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Oh, they actually sat watching Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. I would have thought the screen would have been too bright for him. Oh, but now we have them all in one place. Now we have them all in one place. So now what do? How do we get rid of them from here while we're all in this one place? Oh, they're actually watching it. Is this not too bright for their little eyeballs? Oh, they got the glasses on. Oh, I get to watch Snow White while I'm watching this. This is a great film. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. It's off to work we go. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. Da-dum, da-dum, dum-dum. Oh, I love this. And no way this movie was made for me. It's off to work we go. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. Wow, this is great.
We're watching Snow White.
Yeah, they're watching Snow White. Of course they do. Aww. Look, they're just Disney fans at heart. They're just babies. Can't we make them friendly?
Where's the boiler room?
Please.
In the back of the van.
They can't be bad people. They like Snow White. They have taste. I'm surprised, knowing my love for Disney, that none of you guys even mentioned that there was a Disney film technically features in this.
Yum, yum.
They're always hungry, man. Oh no, it's going to be all but one.
Cover your mouth. Don't breathe any gas.
As if we're gassing them. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh, we're not even gassing them. We're gonna explode the place. Are you alright? Oh, alright then. What about, like, is there any surrounding buildings or anything like that? Oh, they know. Oh no. Ah! They're coming, they're coming, they're coming. That's such a cool effect. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I thought he'd left her then. Like, okay, Billy. Leg it. You're gonna want to peg it on out of here. That's gonna blow. Oh, we don't even know there's definitely not anybody else in there or anything. All the surrounding buildings. Oh, but one of them defo got out, so was that. Yep, one of them got out though. One of them got out though. One of them got out. That is crazy. Oh, he's gonna be fuming that you've done that to his mates. To the left, to the left. Look at the one that is in the candy store. To the left.
In the department store.
Oh, Stripe.
Stripe, yeah, it is him as well. The ringleader. He knows full well Stripe is not stupid. He is not stupid. Oh, why don't you just try the front door first? I'm just saying.
If he gets the water, it'll start all over again.
Oh my god, yeah, he's probably going to be looking for water now.
Is go back and try and find some kind of light switch.
Yeah, good idea, to be fair. Aww. First kiss, adorable. But yeah, let's see if we can find some main lights. Where is the little mofo? Oh, how is he in the screen? How is it in the screen? There must be a camcorder hooked up to it somewhere. Yeah, look, see yourself on TV.
For all the kitties. That's right. Santa Claus
Little bastard. Hiding away.
Don't forget, we have the Kingston Falls.
Come on, we need lights. Yes. Oh no, water. Oh my god, no. No, I don't want it to go again. Oh, whoa. Oh, you have got to be careful because he is not missing, Brovley. He will have you. He will murder you. Understand? Look, he's pedaling away on a little trike. Oh, this film's awesome, honestly. Easy as we go now. What has he got that he could kill you with? What? What was that? Oh, no. Get out of the way, dude. Get out of the way. Get out of the aim of him. Oh, my gosh. Billy, come on. Come on. My God, your mum was literally not passed down any of her skills to you because she was a badass going around that house, slaying them left and right, and you can't even stand up when one of them's throwing balls at you? Billy, bro, he will kill you. Do something, Billy. Jesus. Oh, my God, stop. Really? Billy. Get up, Billy. Jesus Christ. Billy. Get up. Oh, you're being a bit pathetic here, Billy boy. I'm sorry. Where's that blood just come from as well on his head? When did that happen? Oh, Billy, man, you've been through it. Get up. Oh, my God, not a chainsaw. This is the most ridiculous, hilarious, amazing thing ever. Honestly, this is one of the best movies I've seen in ages. It's freaking nuts. Oh, it's absolutely unhinged. I love it. I actually love it so much. Oh, Gizmo, you're gonna have to create some carnage because your new best mate's about to be had. Go on, rag it off, gal. You got it. Use your brute strength. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Just in the nick of time. Just in the nick of time. Oh, 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 where's it taking him off to? Quickly, guys, quickly while he's down. No. No, you gotta get to him now. You got to get to him now. I was not expecting this at all. I love this. I actually really love this. It's so funny. Oh my God, I wonder how many bullets he's got in that. Oh my God. Oh no, oh my God. This is not gonna end well. Now there's gonna be loads of his little babies. Nope, and they just pop straight out like that. That is disgusting. Oh, oh, it looks like boils growing on him. Oh, oh no, Gizmo. You okay, babe? Oh. Yes, yes, oh yeah, sunlight kills him. Sunlight kills him. Go on, Gizmo. Does that mean it dies? Oh my God. Does that mean it dies of all the babies that it was going to pop off as well? Oh, look at it. Oh, it's like melting or something. Oh, oh, oh my Christ. Oh my God. This is nuts. Ew. Ugh. Oh my God, no. But now is it going to... Because it went in the water, does it mean it's going to give birth to more of them? Oh no, no.
Dad, your scarf?
Oh my life, this movie. Chaotic as frick. That water was bubbling, so more of them coming out now. What's going to be in there? Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my life.
I hope you enjoyed watching this compilation. A fun fact about Gremlins is, in the initial script they had Gizmo turn into the evil leader, Stripe. However, executive producer Steven Spielberg insisted this be changed, as he felt the audience needed a good guy Mogwai to root for throughout the entire film, making Gizmo the hero in the end. Leave a comment below and tell me what's your favorite memory watching this movie. Also, if you could please like and hit the subscribe button, that would be greatly appreciated. And make sure to check out our other compilations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you and your family had a Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to you all, and I'll see you in the next one.